Dear students, welcome to our class on series models, CERGS, series models, series crop growth models. Okay, so earlier we tried to understand what are the statistical models, what are the deterministic models, what. Okay, now, so this is the model, series models basics 1. Here we try to understand introduction to series and crop growth, CSM, DSAT, aims of CSM, series wheat, rice, maize. Now, CERES, what exactly is the expansion for this acronym? CERES. CERES. Now, crop environment resource synthesis. Crop environment. There is a crop, there is a crop environment resource synthesis. Series models. Now, crop simulation models have been used for many years, particularly since 1985. From 1985, crop simulation models. When crop simulation models were started, crops were raised in the pots. From there, the journey started. The DSAT models, DSSAT. What is DSAT? Decision Support System for Agrotechnology Transfer. Decision Support System for Agrotechnology Transfer. I am one of the very fortunate scientists who have got excellent training when crop simulation models were developed. It is my fortunate Jim Jones, Ken Boute, whatnot, Gary Hooverboom, and all, of course, my own colleague Dr. Prasad, P.V. Prasad. These are all the people who have taught me crop growth simulation models. Now, see, what is series? Series means crop environment resource synthesis. Good. CSM, crop system modeling. CSM means crop system modeling. So, in the DSAT, okay, DSAT has got series models and crop growth models. DSAT has got series and crop growth models. Now, what is DSAT? It is a crop system modeling. Earlier only crop modeling was there. Now, later it had come to crop system modeling. Crop sequence, intercropping, whatnot, like that. Now, so what are the aims of crop system modeling? To simulate monocrop production, to simulate, in addition to monocrop, cropping systems, to provide a platform for easily incorporating modules for other biotic and abiotic stresses on the crop, to compare alternate models, for specific components, maybe biotic, abiotic, nitrogen, whatnot. Okay, subroutines like, for easily introducing the CSM. Okay, for easily introducing the CSM into additional application programs. What are the additional application programs? In advances I will discuss with you. Then what are series wheat, rice and maize models? Now, series wheat, this is a part of DSAT. CSM, cropping system model, part of CSM. The model has been documented extensively since its original development and evaluation in the year 1985. It simulates the effects of weather, genotype, soil properties and management on crop growth and development, water and nutrient dynamics, particularly nitrogen. This model considers phasic development with 9 growth stages from pre-sowing to harvest in relation to thermal time. So this is simply series wheat. What is series rice? This has been developed to support the decision making in agronomic research, crop production and land use planning. This has been included in the DSAT. The CSM series rice is physiologically based and simulates daily canopy photosynthesis, respiration, growth, biomass partitioning and crop development as a function of input information including daily weather, soil properties, management properties and cultivation characteristics. Finally, series maize. In this model, the crop growth and development are simulated by CSM series maize model with a daily time step from planting to maturity and are based on physiological processes that describe the response of maize crop to soil and aerial environment conditions. Potential growth is dependent upon PAR. Potential, as far as maize is concerned, potential growth is dependent on PAR, photosynthetic active radius, or absorbed PAR or intercepted PAR, and it is constrained by, okay, small, okay, it is constrained by suboptimal temperature, soil water deficit and nitrogen deficiencies. However, the potential growth is dependent upon PAR and its interception, whereas actual biomass production on any day is constrained by soil and, of course, input, particularly nitrogen deficiencies. So this is in simple series model. Thank you very much. We discuss elaborately in due course of time.